Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine. I am fine too, alhamdulillah. And I hope you will be guys enjoying PSL. PSL is going at its peak. I'm also enjoying PSL and also making videos for you guys. And today I decided to make a video on word problems on simultaneous equations. I made a video earlier. In that we have an equilateral triangle and we have to find the side of the equilateral triangle. What we did was we applied the simultaneous linear equation techniques to find the side of that triangle. This time we have a rectangle in front of us and the three sides of the rectangle has been given to us, and I know that the opposite sides of a rectangle are always equal. So if this side is 2x minus 3, I wrote 2x minus 3 on this side too, since these two sides are equal in a rectangle and these two sides are equal in a rectangle. And the another information is the perimeter. We have been given perimeter that is equals to 120 centimeter, and we have to find the area of this rectangle using this data which is in front of you. Since we are solving word problems on simultaneous equations, so we know that we have two variables over here. First one is x and the other one is y, and in order to find the value of two variables we at least need two equations, and we have to find and we have to make two equations, and then after making these two equations we can solve them either by simultaneous equation methods, elimination or substitution, and we can find the value of x and y. And by putting that x and y value in the side we can find the length and the breadth of the rectangle, and then by multiplying the length with the breadth I can find the area of a rectangle. So my first challenge, my first task is to make two equations, and I have to make two equations since I have two variables, so I will be making two equations at least. So first equation, I can use these two sides because I know that the opposite sides of a rectangle is equal. So 3x minus y and 2x plus y must also be equal because it is a rectangle. So applying the first condition, I will write 3x minus y equals to 2x plus y. On equating these two sides, I can make my equation number 1 as variables on one side. I will move this 2x on the other side. This will become minus 2x, and since minus y is already present there, this plus y when going on the other side will also be minus y, and since there is nothing left on this side, I will write equal to 0. 3x minus 2x will be x, and this minus y and minus y will become minus 2y and equals to 0. So this is my equation number 1. I have made my equation number 1 by equating these two sides of a rectangle. I can't equate these two sides because these are two same sides, and 2x minus 3 equals to 2x minus 3 will not give me an equation. So I will try to make another equation with this perimeter. I know perimeter is sum of all the sides. If I will add all these sides and I will equate them with the perimeter, maybe I can be able to find another equation. So I am applying my second condition, that is the perimeter condition, and the perimeter says I have to add all my sides. The first side is 3x minus y, so I wrote 3x minus y over here, and perimeter means sum means plus, so I have to add all the sides, and I will write add, and then 2x minus 3 is my second side, and then again I have to put a plus sign because it is a perimeter, and then I have 2x minus y, 2x plus y, and then again plus sign because it is a sum of all the sides, and the last side is 2x minus 3. So this is side number 1, this is side number 2, this is side number 3, and this is side number 4, and these all sides are equals to 120 centimeter. So on adding x and y, 3x and 2x, 5x, 5x and 2x, 7x, 7x plus 2x will become 9x, and this minus y and this plus y will get cancelled out, and now this minus 3 and this minus 3 will become minus 6 and equals to 120. This minus 6 will go on the other side, it will become plus 6. 120 plus 6 is equals to 126, and since this 9 is being multiplied over here, I will shift it on the other side. 126 divided by 9 equals to 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 9 ones are 9, and I've got 36, 9 fours are 36. So the value of x is equals to 14. I successfully able to find the value of x, and I will put this value of x in equation number 1 in order to find the value of y. So I will put this in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is x minus 2y equals to 0. X is 14, so I will put 14 in place of x. Then minus 2y will be as it is and equals to 0. This minus 2y will go on the other side and it will become plus 2y. 14 is equals to 2y, and since I have to find the value of y, this 2 is being multiplied. It will go on the other side, it will get divided, and the value of y will be equals to 7. So by equating these two sides, I got one equation, and by using this information of perimeter, I was able to find the value of x, which is equals to 14. So I put the value of 14 in equation number 1 in order to get the value of y. So now I have my value of x and I have my value of y, but my question is asking for area, so I have to find these two sides. You guys know that the area of a rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. This is my length and this is my breadth. So I have to find the value of this side and this side in order to find the area. So I will write the formula at the top. Area is equals to length multiplied by breadth. What is the length? The length is 2x plus y, and it will be multiplied with the breadth, which is 2x minus 3. Since I have got the values of x and y, I will put these two values in this equation, in this formula, in order to get the value of area. I will use a square bracket this time, 2 as it is. I have x as 14, so I will write 14 in place of x, and then I have the value of y as 7, so I will write 7 over here, and I will close this bracket. And then I will again use a square bracket. I will write 2, and I have x equals to 14, and then I will write minus 3, and I will close my bracket over here since I have a limited space. And then I will write an equals to sign, and this 2 multiplied by 14 will become 28, and 28 plus 7 will be equals to 35, and then this sign of multiplication over here. 2 multiplied by 14 is 28, 28 minus 3 is 25. So my length is 35 and my width is 25, and then on multiplying these two numbers, I will get the area, which will be equal to 875 centimeters square. This is the area of this rectangle, which has its sides and perimeter given to you, and we applied the concept of simultaneous equations in order to solve this question, and our area is 875 centimeters square.